That is how class to work. Okay, so here, see, this is one mall which is in Elante, and I'm going to. This is a picture, but I'm sure you have a mall in your city too. Do you have a mall in your city? If you have, you can come and tell me what kind of a mall it is. Yes, please come. Militars, I can see a hand raised. Do come, beta. Militars, I can see hand raised. Please come and tell me about that mall which you have. But say you raise your hand, you can come out. Aja. Militars, can you hear me? Yes. I can see hand raised in militars. Please come out. Please come out and tell me what about the mall in your city. Please come. That will be a very good conversation starter. And here we are building conversations, okay? So please come out. Militars, I saw so many children raise hand. Okay, anyone from Karl Marx who would like to talk about the mall in your city? Anyone from Tolstoy? Anyone from Russell? At least one student should come out and talk about the mall in your city. Okay. First thing, let me tell you. See, this is not only the mall. Okay, this is a mall which has everything enclosed in it. And these are basically one kind of mall. Then there are other malls which are called strip malls. Strip mall. Okay. Now this strip mall is like, you will have single story जैसे हमारी market place होती है. There is a marketplace. वहां पर there'll be shop. In the center there will be like a fountain. There'll be sitting places. No vehicle will be allowed in it. Okay, no vehicle. Like you cannot take your car till the shop. ऐसी वाली mall है आपके धुरी में? Let me know. Tell me. Okay. So these are the strip malls. So there are, but today we are going to talk about the enclosed malls, which are in a building, which are enclosed in a building. Okay. So now, when you see the mall, what are the things that come to your mind? When you enter, words लिखते जाओ. जितने words आपके दिमाग में आ रहे हैं, लिखते जाओ. So I want you to think about these things. Entrance. When you enter the mall, all the things you see, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like जो आपका है. Then brands. Okay. Then food court. Then entertainment. Anything else? Anything else you will tell me about a mall? What are every single thing that you see in a mall? I want you to write down the names of those things. सब कुछ लिखते जाओ. Everything. Like, when you enter, what are there? Probably there are steps. You take some steps. Now see, when you enter, it's like a huge opening. Sensor वाले doors होते हैं. Okay? Sensor वाले doors होते हैं. People you are like, checked. Then you go inside. In some malls, even your bags are checked. Most of the malls. Everything you write. Then you enter. You come to an open space that's like the lobby. Okay? The lobby kind of a thing. Then on either side, you will find shops of different brands. कौन से kind of shops are there? Like, what kind of stores are there? Okay? Like you have departmental stores. And what other kind of stores are there? Cosmetic stores hain. You have cosmetics, you have footwear, you have clothing stores, you have home centers like home products, you have like, what else do you have? Furniture stores. What else? Like there are n number of stores. Think about everything you can see. And basically sometimes now see this mall is like multi-story. Okay, it is a multi-story malls. Most of the malls are multi-story. So they are multi-story. यहाँ पे ये वाली story आती है. Okay, so they are, sorry, I put in the wrong place. So they are multi-story. And ऊपर कैसे जाते हो? What are the things you use to go up? Just keep on writing. Then what do you find? What kind of brands do you find there? And what are the things in the food court? Then what are the things for entertainment? What else do you have? Home centers, like home, then accessories, then decorative stuff, home decorations. You have so many things. Okay. What else do you have? Fragrance stores, fragrances, like here you will find fragrances. What else? Clothing stores, like so many. I just want you to think of the words. Keep on thinking and writing it down. सारे लिखते जाओ. How you go up, how you come down, what are the things you use. Think of it. Then what kind of brands you have, because I want you to know everything. यहाँ पे कैसे eating joints कैसे होते हैं, sit downs, fine dining, like casual diners. जैसे McDonald's, it's a casual diner. You just go and you just pick up your food. Cafes, cafeterias, like so many things. And we are learning so many words and we are understanding what they are and how they have to be used. So keep on writing. जितने भी दिमाग में words आ रहे हैं, keep on and on and on. And just think about the mall. Where do you park? Parking space कैसी होती है? It's an open parking space or it is enclosed parking space, like level parking levels हैं in the basement, like you have to go to the different levels. कैसे है level on all these things? Just keep thinking. Have you written the words now? Raise your hand if you have written. And how many? Very good. Very good, Plateau. I can see a lot of hands raised. How many of you have written 10 words associated with malls? 10 words. Very nice. 15. How many have written 15? Very good. I can see a few hands. How many have done 20 words associated with it? Very nice. Excellent. Okay. So when I will say those words, if you have written those words, you will put a check mark. And all new words you will keep on adding and we will learn their usage, how they are used. And if you think, ma'am, kya padha rahe hain? So don't worry. These things are very, very, what you can say, necessary if you have to be like very fluent in all your spoken English. Then you should know all these words. When you go there, you talk in that manner. Okay. You use these words which are normally used, which are very normal to use. And then it is like it becomes a part of your active vocabulary. And that's very good. So here we come. Okay. So when we enter, what do we have? We have एंट्रेंस पे क्या क्या है? एंट्रेंस. So what do we have? Who will tell me? वो जो doors अपने आप खुलते हैं और बंद, when you somebody goes, the door opens, then closes. What is those? Sensors. They have sensors. Okay, so normally they have sensors. Then there is someone who will, like, kind of like, you are complete checking, and then you can go inside. Okay, then you enter, and then when you enter, when you enter, see, this is a kind of open space you will come. When you will enter, this is not with every mall, but every mall, when you enter, there will be a huge open space. And that is, normally they have, like, at the top in the ceiling, they will have skylight. Sunlight will be coming in. This is, in most of the malls, you will find it like that. Because they don't want the light to be dark and dingy. This is this place where you enter and step into the mall. That open place is called atrium. Okay, so new word, I'm sure, for everyone, but you should know this. So it is atrium. So what is this? Atrium. And atrium, normally 95% of the time it will have like an open, like atrium should have, but even if we call it an atrium, it will have a skylight. ऊपर से खाली, ऊपर से skylight, ऊपर से अंदर filter होके आएगी, and it will bring it natural light. So this is atrium, enclosed, but this is how it is. Okay, then what happens? On all sides, what you can see? Who will come and tell me? I think so. This is very normal. Somebody do come up forward and tell me. क्या दिखता है आपको on both the sides? Mall में क्या हम करने आ रहे हैं? Like, we will find stores. See, all these stores you can find. All these stores, different. Now, stores where what you have? Different brands. Now, how many kind of brands are there? How many kinds? I'm sure you all know. Well, I know many of you are brand conscious and you like to use branded things. Many of you. Okay. So we have premium. Okay, we have premium brands. Then what do we have? What kind of brands we have? We have luxury, everyday. So majorly we will classify them into these three. Even affordable. So affordable. So we have like सबसे महंगे वाले कौन से होते हैं इनमें से? And can you give me an example? Anyone? How come nobody wants to answer today? Come on. Who will tell me? One of you should start and then everybody will start talking. From Socrates, who wants to tell us about what are examples? One example of premium brand or one example of a luxury brand. Or yes, please, Tolstoy. I can see a hand raised. Aja. Tolstoy, on my right, there are two children who have raised their hands. One is sitting on the first bench, that boy, please come. And one in the last bench, please come. I just want one. Any of these. One premium or one luxury, one everyday, one affordable. Okay. Which one? Yes, luxury. Yes. Now see, CCI, because yeah, it is an Italian brand. That is why CCI is pronounced as Gucci. Ch. Okay. Otherwise, yes, CCI हो जाएगा हम ना, but because it's an Italian brand, they pronounce it as CCI is pronounced as Gucci. Ch. Okay, that sound. So Gucci. Yes, that is a luxury brand, and you must know a lot of more luxury brands. Okay. Then we have premium brands. Which is a premium brand? Premium
Apple.
brand. Apple, okay. Apple, we can say it, but I think so. I'll think so. It should be like, okay, premium brand Apple. Then you have like affordable brand, like Calvin Klein, and all these are like, Tommy Hilfiger. They are like affordable brands. Like many people can buy them. Okay, luxury brands. They cost so much, nobody can like very. Yes, which one? Yeah.
Ma'am, may we speak?
Yes, yes. And then we have like everyday brands. Pantaloon is an everyday brand. Everybody can afford. Okay. Lot of Indian brands, like if we say affordable, हमारा Fab India आ जाता है. Like Indian brands भी हैं. Indian brands से W for women भी आ जाता है. Everyday brands के बहुत very
Nokia.
yeah.
Nokia.
Nokia, yes. So Nike will come in like, Nike is like premium brand. Nike shoes like premium brand. Okay. Shoes में जैसे Nike.
Air Jordan.
That is Air Jordan, yes. We get a great deal of it. But these are like premium brands. Some are like that. Now see, give me two. These are like luxury brands. So when you go into mall, you will in huge malls. How many of you visited Delhi? Delhi malls. So like when you go to these malls, you will find like huge brands. और सबके section अलग होते हैं. Like if you go to Geo Mall in Mumbai, you will see like all luxury brands. Okay, then you will find in some malls you have no luxury brands, but you will have premium brands and affordable brands and everyday brands. So it depends on the malls also. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you that in a mall there are different kind of things you can find at different price range things. Okay, so very reasonably priced to very expensive things like Louis Vuitton in Chandigarh. You have that. Okay, then you have like very high brands. Few people buy that, very few. Anyway, let's move on to this, and this is an atrium. Now, so we have stores, we have this. Now see, we have another category which we call departmental stores. Who will tell me what are departmental stores? उसके नाम में ही समझ जाओ. What is departmental stores? See, in one store, have you visited West Side? West Side is an Indian, like, affordable brand. How many of you visited West Side? You will find reasonably priced, like affordably, you can afford those clothes and very stylish and very good stitched, well-stitched clothes. You will find clothes, you will find cosmetics, you will find footwear, you will find household products. You will find so many things in one store. So there are different departments, and that is a departmental store. So it is under like same for Marks and Spencer. You will find beauty products, you will find fragrances, this got perfumes and scents photo. You'll find so many things. Okay, so they are departmental store in which you will find a department for kids, for men, for women, for young people, shoes. You will find like different kind of items. So this is a departmental store. Okay, so basically when you go to these kind of stores, you should know. In India, we have lifestyle, Indian brands जो हैं affordable. Then we have Shoppers Stop. Then we have West Side. All these are departmental stores. So I just wanted you to understand the concept of departmental store. Yes. What else now? Supposing we move from here. Okay. We move from here. Next one. Everybody knows what is this? What do you call it? Everybody knows. I just want to hear it. Who will come and tell me? You'll find them everywhere. Yes, please, Plateau, do come. I can see hands raised. Yes. One of you can come quickly. Aja beta, aja. What do you call it?
Ma'am, elevator.
Very good. So it is elevator. Sorry. This is escalator. Yes, this is escalator. The steps which will take you up, they are escalators. And what are these? These are, they don't move. They are staircase. Stairs or staircase. Now see why I'm telling you this, because all जितनी भी सीढ़ियां inside होती हैं, they are staircase. जितनी भी सीढ़ियां outside होती हैं, they are steps. You will not say this as steps. And जो बाहर होंगी entrance पे, आपके घर के बाहर, you will not say staircase. Okay, so this is a difference you will all keep in mind. So this is your staircase. Here say you can go up. This is a staircase. It is not moving. These are moving stairs. They are escalators. They are escalators. Yes. So basically write down all these words. They should become a part of your fluent memory. Yes. Now next is, let's move on. Yes. That little girl who came here, she got little mixed up. Okay. So, this is what you meant actually. So these are like elevators. This is an elevator. Okay. Yeah. They are like tube elevators you must have seen and even gone up and down in them. Then we have other kind of elevators जो normal है. This, जिसको हम lift भी बोलते हैं. Because in British English it is called lift, but in American English we call it elevators. Okay. So this is how they work. What is this now? This goes straight. The steps take you up, down. Escalators, elevators take you up, down. What is this? It goes straight. It is at the airport also, you must have seen. What do you call it? And some big malls everywhere in the world, they have it. Okay. So what do you call it? They are called travelators. Okay. Travelator. Write down. You should know these words. So when you go on a straight one, it is called travelator. Okay. So we have escalators, we have elevators, and we have travelators. Travelators you will not find at every mall, but I'm sure you will find in some big malls. They just go straight. You just stand on it and they go. You can even walk on it. Okay. Like you can go on the escalator when you're riding on. So they go right straight. And you will find them at many railway stations. You will find them in All the airports in the world. All the airports. Okay? Yes. So here we come back. Ab batao. What is this? I showed you one in the beginning. I want to see if you remember this word. I told you as you enter, there is normally a huge area. Yes, I can see in Karl Marx. I can see a hand, so many hands raised. Please come. The child sitting on my left, first bench. Aajao. Please come. What will you call it?
Ma'am, atrium.
Perfect. Excellent. Now you know whenever you enter a mall and there is this open area, normally we'll call it a lobby or other reception area. But if there is skylight, ऊपर से skylight आ रही है, then it is atrium. Okay, it is atrium. और यहाँ atrium में क्या होता है? Tell me, what happens? Normally people walk in and they bifurcate, जहाँ जहाँ उनको जाना है वहाँ चल जाते हैं. But all the programs, all the events that happen in the mall happen in the atrium. Okay? तो यहाँ पे कौन सी चीजें होती हैं? Tell me, what all can happen here? I'll show you one more place. Okay, let me show you one more place. This is again an atrium. Okay. Then we go here. Now see, this is, what is this? आपके घर में जो वेड़ा होता है, like you know, in Punjab houses normally we used to have a veda. What do we call that veda? Anybody remembers that word for it? And these are the parts of every mall. I feel, मैंने तो हर में देखा है. This is a courtyard. Okay. Now, what is the difference between atrium and courtyard? Courtyard, ऊपर से छत नहीं होगी. Atrium will be enclosed. छत होगी, but the skylight will filter in. Okay, transparent, something or a glass roof or like a glass fiber roof or something. Here it will be roofless, but it will be enclosed by 4 walls. There will be 4 walls on, like चारों sides पे there will be shops or there will be something, cafes or something, and beach mein this will be like a open space with no roof. So it is this is a courtyard. Now all the events that happen in the mall, you know, malls are very happening places. वहाँ पे सिर्फ ऐसे नहीं है कि like you know you go and you shop and you come back. No, you have entertainment. Okay, you have grocery shopping. Like many places have, like you know, place for grocery shopping. You can go and do your groceries normally. Then there are like home products. Then lot of stuff, like you know. So it is not only clothes shopping or footwear shopping. It is like loads and loads of things. Okay. So here you have, then you have food court. So यहाँ पे normally these places courtyard, like you know what happens here is you have events. In atrium and courtyard, sometimes you will have events. Events and pop-ups. This is something very different. How many of you know about pop-ups? Have you heard this term before? Have you? How many of you know about pop-ups? Okay. So pop-up is like, you know, a temporary shops, temporary stores. Okay. In the aisle. Okay. On either side, there is the shops. In between, there is an aisle. So in the aisle, they will, like, you know, have a temporary shop. Or they will have a temporary shop in the courtyard or in the atrium. Okay. And these temporary shops are seasonal. They will, like, you know, before Diwali, there can be a candle store. Or there can be some things related with Diwali. Or before Christmas, there will be something related. So these are temporary stores. They open up when that particular thing happens, that event happens, it shuts down. So they are called pop-ups. Okay, and there are pop-up sales also. So basically, why do you think they have pop-ups? Why? Think about it. I want you people to just think it through, because you are the future people who are going to be the market, like entrepreneurs and marketing people. So आपको ये सब सोचना चाहिए कि why we have pop-ups. See, everything is interrelated. सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि I'm just teaching you some terms, but they should make you think. Okay, pop-ups. Why do we have pop-ups? Why? Only for selling things? Brand promotion. Okay, like many people don't know about certain brands. So if I get a temporary space for opening my brands, pop-ups can be the thing. आपके यहाँ होता है ना जब what you have करवा चौथ होता है तो suddenly there are stalls for mehndi. Okay, then one day and they close down, 1 or 2 days. When you have जैसे लोहड़ी अब आएगी, so you will have certain stalls. They are like all pop-ups only. वहां पे वो गच्चक एंड रेवड़ीज एंड मूंगफली बेचेंगे. और normal also we used to have easy access to the people. They want to go there. Decoration stuff, all these kind of things, they will happen. Okay, so like in exhibitions. Yes, so we have these pop-ups and they're very seasonal, very, very seasonal. Pay attention to every single word I'm using so that you know about it. Okay. Rest, what are we going to do now? Let's think about food places. Let's go to food places. Okay. और यहाँ पे events में हमारे pop-ups हैं. What else we have? Fashion shows. So we have fashion shows. Okay. Have you seen a fashion show in a mall? Okay. How many of you have seen? Very good. I can still see 1 or 2 hands raised. Then see the words I'm using. Gigs. Musical gigs. जैसे local bands हैं या students ने अपना band बनाया, they can go and perform. They can go and perform. Different bands can come. They are called gigs. It's like a small concert. Okay. बड़ी concerts होती हैं. जैसे दिलजीत दोसांझ करता है या कोई और like known person does like Sartaj and here like small local people will do. No charges. They are called gigs. Yes, beta. Karl Marx. I can see your hand raised. Please come. Ajo. What do you want? Yes, beta. Come. Karl Marx. So the word used is for those small concerts is gigs. Okay. Yes, बच्चे. Karl Marx. I want to tell you. हाँ बच्चे आप बताओ क्या बोलने आए थे? Flash mob. Anybody knows what is a flash mob? Yes, who knows what is a flash mob? Like you must have seen sometimes, in the mall, suddenly people dance. They come and dance. Like, it's a very synchronized dance. It's not that koi bhi dance kare, properly prepared. They are called flash mobs. Okay, so we have to learn about these words. Today you have learned, I'm sure you learned atrium, you have learned musical gigs, flash mob. At least ye 3 words, courtyard. And what happens? Pop-ups. Okay, what are all these things? And when you go next time to the mall, I'm sure you will, when you look at these things, you will understand them even much better. That mall is not just a place to go and shop. And food stores, food jitne bhi courtyard hai, usme fine dining is there. Then sit down is there, like where you sit down and eat. Cafes are there, cafeterias are there, and then there are casual dining, like all these Haldiram and all this. Wahan pe nobody serves you. You have to go and bring your food and then you have to put the tray back. Okay, so these kind of casual diners are also there. So let us today end the class right here. Think more about it. Think about more words that cross your mind and keep talking, keep chatting among yourselves so that things become better and better. Okay. So I have to end my class here. I would have loved to continue. Okay, thank you, children. Have a great day and a great Sunday too. Okay. Sure.